Hey guys, hello and welcome to another video. So most of the people were commenting to make a video on the data raptor. So in this video we are going to talk about the data raptor. So data raptor is basically a tool which can extract the data from the Salesforce object. So suppose we have some object like let's open the case. If I will open any case here, so there are some data which are in the case object. So if we want to use the same data in any of the card or OmniScript, we can take help of the data raptor. So let's create a simple data raptor. So first of all we need to go to this Velocity data raptor designer. So here there are some data raptor. So let's create a new one. So we need some basic information. We need to provide the data raptor bundle name. So I will name it as DR stands for data raptor, and account details, and we need to select the interface type. So we have four options here: the extract, turbo extract, load and transform. So these are basically the types of the data raptor, in which the extract and the turbo extract is basically used to extract the information or data from the Salesforce, and the load is basically used to save the data back to the Salesforce, and transform is used to manipulate the data. So for now I want to get the data from the Salesforce, so I will use the extract. So the one difference between the extract and turbo extract is we can extract the data from multiple objects using the extract, but using the turbo extract we can extract the data from a single object at a time. So for now I will use the extract. There is input type and output type, so we want all of these in the JSON format, so I will leave it as it is and I will save this. So after creating any data raptor extract, you will get this interface where there will be 5 subtabs: the extract, formula, output, options and the preview. So in the extract tab we need to specify the object from where we want the data. So I will click on this add extract step. So in this we have to select the object. So we want the data from the account, so I will select account. The extract output path is the node of the JSON in which we want the data to be, so I will name it as account. So here you can see the JSON is getting created with the account, and account is basically a list which contains the object. So whenever there is a square bracket inside the JSON, that means it contains a list or array, and whenever there is a curly braces, that means it contains an object. So I will filter the account with the ID. So I need to select the ID, and ID is equal to account ID. Soon you will get to know all of these things, like why we are using this account ID. So for now I will use this, and in the formula tab there is a formula result path and a formula. So suppose we are having the first name and the last name coming from any object, so we can concatenate that using a formula, and then we can combine that as a full name in the result path. In this output subtab we need to specify the fields which we are going to use. So let's go back to our card and let's see which of the fields we were using there. So if I will go back to here, and if I will save and fetch, so I need to refresh this. So here you can see we are using these things. Okay, so let me copy this, and if I will go back to that data raptor, so basically there are two ways to extract the data here. One way is if we have the JSON which we are going to use in the card already present, like I have the JSON which I need to use, so I can do one thing, I can copy that JSON, and inside this expected JSON output I can paste that. Okay, if I will paste this, so if I need to just go to the quick match, and here we have the all the fields: account ID, name, phone number, whatever we want there, is available here. What we need to do is we need to map this with the fields of the account. So I have the account ID, so I need to search it and I need to map it with the ID. So I will choose the account ID, I will place it over the account ID, it will automatically match it. I will use the name, account name is equal to account name, account phone is equal to account phone, postal code here is basically shipping postal code, so I will use shipping postal code. So this is the one way of mapping the outputs. Let me show you the other way for the account website and the primary contact. So we can also manually do it. Manually we can click on the plus icon and here we need to use the website. So I will use the website, account website, and inside the output JSON path I just need to use the, so as you can see that we have the expected JSON output, so it is getting automatically populated. So I will select account website, and we can also change the data type, like if it is coming as integer we can change that to the string, and we have multiple data types here. So this is it, and so we are left with this account primary contact. And let me tell you that this is not the field of the account, this is the field of some other object having the lookup relation with the account. So let me show you that. If I will open this account, I need to open the account object, and if I will go to this Acme record, inside the details, so here as you can see that contact is basically a lookup field having the relationship with the other object. So we can also get the data from that object using the relationship query in the data raptor. So how we can do that? We can click on this plus icon and we need to do it manually. So inside this JSON path I need to use the primary contact. So this is the primary contact, account velocity CMT primary contact ID. So I need to select this and we need to manually write it. Instead of C we need to use the R to specify that this is a relationship query, and here we need to use dot name. If I will use this, it will extract the data from, it will get the contact details and then it will go to that object and then it will extract the name from there. So I need to make it as account primary contact, so I will name it as this. So we are done with the output, and at the end we need to check that whether it is working or not. So we can check it manually. So we need in the preview section, so let's see this. So we were providing the account ID which the data raptor will use to filter the account with matching the account ID with the ID of the account. So inside the preview we need to provide the account ID. So here I will select the account ID and inside the value I need to put the real account ID. So if I will go to this Acme and I can copy the ID of this and then I need to paste it here. If I will paste it here and then I will execute it, it will get the data of the account. So account was Acme, it was Acme account. Let me show you the details. This was the Acme account having the primary contact as Leanne Tomlin and the phone number as this. So let me go back to data raptor. So the account primary contact is Leanne Tomlin, the website is this and the phone number is this and the account name is Acme. So the data raptor is basically the UI part of SOQL. So inside this debug log you can see that it is querying a query which is select ID, phone, name, shipping postal code, website, and the primary contact with the relationship query name from the account, where ID is equal to what we are providing. This ID is provided by us from the account ID. So in this video we have created a simple data raptor which will extract the data from a single object with these fields and inside the preview we have checked that it is working correctly. In the next video I will create a integration procedure which will get the response from this data raptor by providing this account ID. So that's it for this video. If you have any query, you can comment out. I will try to reply each and every comment, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.